Developing, certifying, and manufacturing any new aircraft design is challenging. Electric and hybrid electric aircraft manufacturers are incorporating new technology and systems into their aircraft, which requires development of regulations and standards by the FAA. Many of the entrants in the electric aircraft market are smaller startup companies who require sizable investments from outside investors. Battery technology is one of the biggest factors in the development of electric aircraft capabilities. Currently, batteries are heavy and have a relatively low energy density, resulting in smaller-sized aircraft. Pure electric aircraft that rely solely on batteries to provide propulsion are severely limited in range and endurance. The energy and power density of current battery technology is not where it needs to be to make this an efficient and practical solution. For instance, the jet fuel capacity of a Boeing 787 jetliner is approximately 223,000 pounds. The estimated weight of a battery pack with an equivalent amount of power would be more than 4 million pounds. The greatest limitation to using battery-powered aircraft is weight, says Pat Anderson, Ph.D. Professor of Aerospace Engineering and Director of the Eagle Flight Research Center at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Unless there is a cosmic change in battery technology, it's just not going to work for bigger, faster airplanes. It's going to be a really long time before batteries weigh less than liquid fuel.